Hello, good morning everyone. Okay, today again we'll discuss some GK questions. It's just related to common GK question that is you must know this type of questions uh, in your life. It's just a simple GK questions. It's not a vast. Okay, now let's start without wasting time. Okay. Question: what is the currency of Sudan? Answer: Sudanese pound. Question: a female donkey is called? Answer: Jenny. Question: a male donkey is called? Answer: Jack. Question: bleeding gums or tooth loss is a symptom of? Which disease? Answer: scurvy. Question: fastest land animal in the world? Answer: cheetah. Question: father of Green Revolution? Answer: Norman Borlaug. Norman, Norman, Borlaug, Borlaug. Question: father of Green Revolution in India? Answer: M.S. Swaminath. Sorry, Swamithan Nath. Question: human dead body is called? Answer: cadaver. 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 Question: India's first supercomputer is? Answer: Param 8000. PARAM 8000. Question: Kelvin scale is the unit of? Answer: temperature. Question: largest diamond in the world? Answer: Cullinan. Cullinan. Question: which metal used to make the filaments of bulbs? Answer: tungsten. Tungsten. Question: name of the first satellite launched by India? Answer: Aryabhat. Question: paleontology is the study of? Answer: fossils. Question: Panama Canal act as a link between which oceans? Answer: Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. Question: which is the present Indian station of Antarctica? Answer: Bharati. Bharati. Question: supercomputer was invented by? Answer: Seymour Cray. Seymour Cray. Question: Telangana state separated from which state? Question. Answer: Andhra Pradesh. Question: the biggest private commercial bank of India? Answer: HDFC Bank. Question: the currency of UAE, United States of America? Sorry, it is not a United States of America. I'm so sorry. The currency of UAE is? Answer: dirham. DIRHAM. Question: the father of local self-government? Answer: Lord Ripon. Question: the first Indian woman to go to the space? Answer: Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana. Chola. Question. The gland secretes insulin. Answer. Pancreas. Question. How much water present on the earth? Answer. 71%. India lies. Question. India lies in which continent? Answer. Asia. Question. The instrument used to measure blood pressure. Answer. Sphygmomanometer. Spygmanometer. Spygmanometer. Question. The king of spices. Answer. Pepper. Pepper. Question. The largest democracy in the world. Answer. India. Question. The largest river in India. Answer. Ganga. Question. The longest written constitution in the world. Answer. Indian Constitution. Question. The part of brain which helps the body balance. Answer. Cerebellum. Question. The state having a largest area of forest cover in India. Answer. Madhya Pradesh. Question. The state which is known as sugar ball of India. Answer. Uttar Pradesh. Question. The vitamin which is not found in vegetables and fruits. Answer. Vitamin D. Question. Tsunami is pronounced as tsunami. Tsunami is a word in which language? Answer. Japanese. Question. Uri Dam is constructed across the river. Answer. Jalam. Jalam. What is the expansion for LED? Answer. Light emitting diode. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Answer. Ear bone. Stapes, which is called ear bone. Question. Which bank is called Bankers Bank of India? Answer. Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Question. Which continent is known as Dark Continent? Answer. Africa. Question. Which Indian state was a separate constitution? Answer. Jammu and Kashmir. Question. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Answer. Barometer. Question. Which is India's largest freshwater lake? Answer. Wular Lake. WLARLAKE. Question. Which is the largest freshwater lake in the world? Answer. Lake Superior. Question. Which is the smallest desert in the world? Answer. Cacros Desert. Which is located in Canada. Cacros Desert. CARCROS. Yes. Question. Which is the biggest bird in the world? Answer. Ostrich. Question. Which is the biggest continent in the world? Answer. Asia. Which is the first biosphere reserve in India? Answer. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Which is the first Indian film? Answer. Raja Harishchandra. Question. Which is the first linguistic state in India? Answer. Andhra Pradesh. Question. Which is the hardest substance available on the earth? Answer: diamond. Question: which is the largest animal in the world? Answer: blue whale. Question: which is the largest animal on the land in the world? Answer: African elephant. Which is the largest bone in human body? Femur, which is also called as thigh bone. Which is the largest cell in natural world? Answer: ostrich egg. Sorry. Question is: which is the largest egg in the world? Answer is ostrich egg. Which is the largest country in the world by area? Answer: Russia. Second place is greater than Canada. Which is the largest desert in the world? Answer: Sahara Desert, which is located in Africa. Which is the largest fish in the world? Whale shark. Which is the largest flower in the world? Rafflesia. Which is the largest island in the world? Greenland, second place, greater than New Guinea. Which is the largest landlocked country in the world? Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. Which is the largest plateau in the world? Tibetan Plateau. Which is the largest state of which is the largest state of India? Rajasthan. Which is the lightest metal? Lithium. Which is the longest river in the world? Nile, which is located in Egypt. Which is the most spoken language in the world? Mandarin in Chinese. And second place, Mandarin in Chinese, it is the second place, which is greater than Spanish. Okay. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? River dolphin. Which is the national motto of India? Satyameva Jayate. Which is the smallest bird in the world? Hummingbird. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Australia. Which is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City. Moon is a satellite of which planet? Earth. Which is the smallest neighboring country of India? Bhutan. Which is the southernmost point of India? Indra Point. Which is the tallest animal on the earth? Giraffe. Which is the tallest waterfall in the world? Angel's Fall. Which is the world's first coin? Lydian coin. Which of the Indian state has longest coastline? Gujarat. Which place is known as Tea Garden of India? Answer: Assam. ASSAM. Who discovered electric bulb? Thomas Alva Edison. Who discovered penicillin in 1928? Alexander Fleming. Who discovered radio? Marconi. Who discovered television? John Logie Babbage. Who introduced coffee to India? Baba Budan. Who is known as father of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Ambedkar. Who is the chairman of Niti Aayog? The Prime Minister of India. Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? The Vice President. Who is the father of computer science? Alan Turing. Who is the father of history? Herodotus. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. Who is the inventor of barometer? Evangelista Torricelli. Evangelista Torricelli. Who is the inventor of Crescograph? Crescograph. Jagdish Chandra Bose. Who is the inventor of electricity? Benjamin Franklin. Who was the first president of India? Rajendra Prasad. Who was the first woman president of India? Pratibha Patil. What does UPS stand for? Uninterruptible power supply. Which country has the longest coastline in the world? Canada. Which country is home to kangaroo? Australia. Thank you. Please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Again, thank you so much for listening my video.